It's January 8th, 2026. Today we didn't take any trades today. I didn't see anything that was really worth placing a trade on. Today was a very choppy day. I'm gonna let you know when you should take a trade and when you should just step back. Just take a moment. You don't need to trade every day. You don't need to catch every move. Let go. Okay, so when I logged in this morning, we already have our levels mapped out. We have our Asian high, Asian low, London low. We have our New York high, and we have our New York low that's already mapped out here, of course. One reason I didn't trade today was because we already made this massive move down to the downside, where in our previous video I mentioned that I would like to see these levels get tapped out. Of course, they got tapped out when I wasn't on the charts. So that was one indicator that made me a little bit iffy about trading today. But also, we're trading in this range and I wasn't really satisfied. The levels that we have mapped out, wasn't really interested in trading. We have our 15-minute zone mapped out, of course, as usual. Very choppy, just wasn't very satisfied how we opened. Very choppy movement, and we're trading within the zone. When the trade doesn't follow through your strategy or your plan, it's just not best to take a trade on. If you're not satisfied with the movement, don't try to force a trade. The moment you try to force a trade, it's the same time that the trade is just going to move against you. As you can see, imagine if I did take a short, I would have got stopped out because I was aiming for these lows down here. When price doesn't give you what it wants, when price is chopping within a range, it's probably best just to step away. We had 2 back-to-back winning days, and that was another reason that made me think, do I really need to trade today? Yeah, I don't. Like, it would have been nice if we could make some money, but at the same time, I'm not chasing money. I'm gonna let the trade come to my favor. Some people are constantly chasing, trying to make $1 each day, and those are the same people that end up taking like 30 trades plus in a day. You only need to take like 1 or 2, max 2, in case the first one doesn't go in your favor. But really just aim for 1 trade. We will see what tomorrow brings, but again, I'm not gonna be too pressed because overall it's a good week. So yeah, hope you were able to learn something from this. I hope y'all have a blessed day. Peace.